Welcome to Don't Lecture Me channel. Today we're playing something really fun. Guess the correct logo of some popular brand or an app. And before we get started, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out any of our videos. Let's get started. Good luck! Round 1. Do you think it's too easy? My subscribers are the smartest person in the world. Round 2. You are sharp-witted. You can definitely solve this task faster. Round 3. I believe in you. I like the way your mind works. I must say you're really great at this. Round 4. You are the smartest person in the world. Remember it. Hey, who is watching funny videos instead of doing their homework? Round 5. Don't be lazy. Come on, buddy. I'm glad to have such smartest subscribers as you are. Round 6. You are really great at solving this quiz. You are doing good. Round 7. You are a person of subtle intellect. I think that's too easy for you, am I right? Round 8. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Do it! Make your dreams come true. Round 9. The answer is simple, right? I know it always seems impossible until it's done. Round 10. There was a time Einstein couldn't count to 10 either. I believe you can do it. Too many people undervalue what they are and overvalue what they're not. Please never give up. I admire your ability to solve these puzzles. I am so proud of you. Do you like my sense of humor? I'm pretty sure you can solve this faster. Be careful. I'm proud of you. I really love your smart brain. Never let you down, buddy. Do you already know the answer? Mistakes are proof that you're trying. Subscribe to my channel. See you soon!